What's up, YouTube? Today I wanted to show you guys how to properly dose the Gorilla Mind pre-workout. Now I understand that there's been a lot of confusion lately in the community. As you can see, the Lemon Lime has a very long stick at the end of it, and then the Tiger's Blood has a very short stick. And they're also a little bit different sizes as far as height goes, and it just looks like two different scoopers. Now there's actually a reason for this, and that is because, as you can see on the supplement facts here, for this one the serving is 15.2 grams, and for this one the serving is 15.425.
I would also like to address that a Gorilla Mind employee actually addressed this situation, and they acknowledged that the weight of the pre-workouts varies slightly based on the flavoring that they put in, and also that there's been supply chain shortages so they can't always get the same scoop. But there's also a very important point that I'm about to make in this video here, that you shouldn't always trust the size of the scoop when measuring your pre-workout, or any ingredient for that matter.
So apart from the confusion about the sticks, there's also confusion on how it is actually dosed. So as you can see, I have a scale here, and this is going to measure exactly how it's dosed. Now a scale is a very important tool if you don't have it already in the kitchen. I don't always weigh my pre-workouts because it doesn't really matter to me how many ingredients I'm getting as long as I'm just getting the pre-workout rush in general. But if you really want to weigh it out and get precise, a scale is your best friend. So I'm just going to turn it on here, and I'm just going to show you how off the scoop can be at times. So I'm STL set to grams here. Going to put the cup on and tare it so that it's 0. Then I'm going to take a scoop of the lemon lime and completely level it out. Usually I don't even level it out. I'll just give the scoop is like however the scoop comes out, I'll just put it in like that. But I'm leveling it out here for this example, and I'm going to dump it in. And as you can see, it only gives you 12.1 grams on the scale. I'm going to zoom in. There you go. 12.1 grams. And that's a little bit smaller than the 14 grams. And this is actually not their fault though, because every time you measure something in the kitchen, if you didn't know this, it's always going to be a little bit off. It's never going to be the exact same measurement every time. So to help fix this, if you really want to weigh out your pre-workouts, you can see it's 12.1 right now. The serving size for this container specifically is 15.2. And look at how much extra pre-workout I could get in there. It weighed over a little bit. As I said, I don't care. I'm just gonna throw a bunch in there. But you could see, you saw that the Gorilla Mind pre-workout didn't weigh exactly how it's supposed to weigh. Now, like I said, if you want to fix this, you could always just get a scale and then measure your pre-workout every time. Like I said, I don't care, but I just wanted to make this video to just clear up some confusion in the community so everybody knows how to properly dose the Gorilla Mind pre-workout. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to the growth of my channel. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.